Good morning, YouTube. Hey, in this episode, we're going to be pouring the last concrete pad. Also, I'll be putting dirt around the building and putting some gutters in, or some gutter drains in. And yeah, it's going to be a good episode. Stick with us. Thanks for joining me on Building the Ultimate Garage. Welcome to my life. All right, so today's gonna be a good day. Today is the final concrete pour of the driveway. I can't wait to have this pour down. Been waiting so long. It's just like my doors. I can't wait to get my doors. It's like, man, it just seems like forever. But Chad will be here with his crew, and we're gonna get this finally poured in. So I got the tarps all off right now, all the wood off, and just got it so they can work on it. But yeah. The concrete comes at noon. I don't even know what time it is. It's probably like 10. It's 10, yeah, 10:08. So the concrete comes at noon, so they should be showing up here probably in an hour or so. And get this thing poured. It'll be great. I cannot wait to finally have this piece of the driveway poured. And then I can start doing all the dirt work and getting it all filled in and get some grass seed down and all that stuff. So get my gutter things cut and get the collars on them. I still lack putting gutters on the other side. The gutter drains on the other side. I got to put the 4 of those in. They're just going to come out and then go out to the bottom of the hill. So I still got to do that. I did put the one in, as you probably have seen. I think I filmed it. You know, I don't even know if I did film it. And that's not good. I did get this drain in, so it's ready to go in this corner. So I can, of course, it goes across the other side. So I can start putting gravel in here. Getting this filled back in, but it comes out here with the rest of the drains. Right there. So it'll drain right off there. So that's good. I just need to get the other 4 in there, and they're going to come out here. You know, different lengths, of course. It's just a little short one, a little longer than the long one, just to keep the gutters draining out to over here, so it's not running down this. But yeah, so you gotta get that. Still gotta get that done. But once that's done, I'll call and get the gutters put on. I have been working up under here. The corner didn't line up perfectly, the metal, but I got to go get some J-channel because I don't like the way that these two ran. So I've got to go get those to replace those, and then I'll recut all this to fit the corner. And then these are in backwards. They're the way this lines up. They have to be the same direction for it to line up right. So you got to work this way to that way. So I'll take all those out and flip them and go the other way. But no big deal. It's just a time consumer. But I did this side, and I just wanted to line up just like that. I mean, I just like the way all the crews line up. So in order to get that done on the other side, I need to do that before I put the lights in, so the lights, when I cut the holes, are in the right positions. But yeah, anyway, we got lots of time for that. But big deal is getting this concrete down today. I am thrilled. Can't wait for Chad to get here. So I'll update you when he gets here. All right, last 4. Hey, Alan. Not inside anymore.
What's the insurance?
No, I just don't like it.
Oh, my bad, man.
It's all right. I told him, I was like, Alan, I said, you can't smoke inside the building. He's like, is it a fire thing, insurance? I was like, no, I don't like it. You what?
Got it looking good in here.
Yeah, come on in, man.
This is all garage. Oh yeah, that's right. You can see that in daytime.
Yeah. Yeah.
You got plenty of room still.
Well, I got 2 more cars going here.
I say you got a couple.
That one came out of the basement, yeah.
Ain't there one more that
2 more
or something?
Corvette and then a BMW.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Yeah.
Those are nice though.
Thank you.
You had that for a long time?
Yeah.
High school car?
No, not that long. I couldn't afford that in high school.
You and your wife go out to the drive-in?
Yeah, no.
Back.
When I was in high school, man, I had a 1967 Buick Skylark. I couldn't afford. Yeah, I got all that trash back on. Poor trash man, dude. I loaded that up.
I bet say you loaded that trash can up.
that poor guy.
What else he piled out
I
there?
know. I feel sorry for him. It's like every week he's like, oh, this house again.
What's this? It's the tarp?
So I just had it pushed up so you guys can get in here and out of here. It's just folded up.
Just a block wind.
Oh yeah, well I put the cars up and then put wood behind them, and then it just makes a wall. It works pretty good actually. It'll make you work. Yeah, I know, but he ain't raking. You are. I just wanted to inform you. You might want to get some money back on that. So Chad's just discussing what the difference a good driver makes. I mean, he's even saying, hey, man, I feel a little lazy. This guy's doing all the work. But then that driver just lays it in there. When they lay it in there right, man, you don't have to do all that much. Just smooth over the top holes. The driver's doing the rest. Of course, that old boy, he's been doing it for 100 years. Do good work, sir. Got that bill for me?
Tell you, I just ain't able to do it no more. Being a 3-year-old man, you know, it's just
Shoot, you did just fine, I think.
That's what I say.
too old.
I've seen the young guys, they don't do as good.
That was a total.
Yeah.
You like paying on that ticket, you're gonna pay for it. You keep that one I got bent over right here.
Yeah, we're gonna call it in right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Call it in, right?
Yeah, I just need the one, right?
Call it in, you
I just call it in and pay for it.
in. Okay.
All right?
He said it's free this time.
Yeah, no, it ain't free. Yeah, I'll call it in real quick and get it paid for. Man, I think you did great.
Yeah.
I've watched him work a lot harder with the younger guys. So, yeah. I think you might be making them lazy though. I ain't gonna lie to you. And I did pay these guys. I want to see them sweat.
So that drain didn't run over on the other concrete, didn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. All right, let me get this paid. I'll call it in real quick. right, so it's been a really good day. Chad and his crew are taking off. They're out of here. They'll come back tomorrow to do the cuts, and but it'll let her dry up. It was really tough because the bottom part got all the sun, the top part's in the shade. So when you're brushing it, you know, you got dry down here and wet up there. So you had to keep this as wet as you could to get that to match up. But we did it. It looks really good. So we'll let her dry up. I'll get these things pulled, the tarps back down. Yep, looking good. All right. Hey, good morning or afternoon, actually. Hey, I didn't bore you, but I've been out here working. I'm putting these gutter lines in. I'm just trying to get the water out to off the hill, just to keep it away from the building. But I got all of them in. I just need to come around and cut this one that I already put in the concrete, or next to the concrete here. I need to get this one cut and then get the cap on it. I didn't really video much because I don't think you really care that I dug 4 trenches and put some pipes in. But yeah, so this is just one more step in getting the gutters on. I do have one last thing that I still have to do, and that's these posts up against the building. I got to figure out what I'm going to do for posts. I really don't know. I was going to wrap them in PVC, not 100% sure yet, but I need to make a decision on that and get these ones at least next to the building wrapped. That way I can get the gutters on, because the ones off the front porch will go down this and into that gutter there. So need to figure that out. But in the meantime, finish this job up, then I'll start bringing dirt up in here. I'll start taking gravel, you know, cleaning this off, getting some topsoil in here, and then doing some final grading. I hope to get some grass seed down here shortly. Need to get some hay from my buddy Paul, and so I can cover it up. But yeah, drag this out some, get some grass seed down, and get some dirt up in here, get that gravel out on this side. They're supposed to be coming today to pull the forms and cut the concrete. So once that's done, I can go ahead and put the dirt up against that as well. So that'll be nice to start slanting this away from the building. And yeah, so I think that's going to work out great. Just need to keep trucking along. Hopefully, if they get the forms out and clean those out, I can start cutting steel and get the grates in. So that'll be a good thing to do too today. But one step at a time. Right now, get this last one cut, and then get the cap on, and then I'll start putting dirt in, and then hopefully they show up. All right, well, let me get busy. Alright, so it's going along pretty good. I started kind of shaping this out. It was a little higher there than it was at the porch, and I got to go lower, you know, so I got to pull that down. I'm going to put a little topsoil on top of that, and of course I'll just keep working my way down the building. But yeah, of course I could run the excavator over this to smash it all down, but I don't want to. I want to put the dirt on there loosely and let the rain then take it down, especially around the pipes, so that the dirt gets good and underneath the pipes, and then I'll come back later and track it in if I need to, or add dirt if I need to, or whatever. Hopefully soon I'll get hay and seed down as well. Sorry, I'm cleaning up all the pipe and stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep bringing it in and dumping it up, and then just kind of raking it back a little bit. I'll probably even come up, put a light coat in here, even on topsoil on top of that rocky stuff, or rockier stuff. The rocks just keep coming to the top, you know, that's just the way it works. But yeah, so that's kind of where I'm at, I guess. I don't like raking, but hey, sometimes it's the best way, right? To get the smoothest product. And let it leave it a little fluffy too. Just let it pack down underneath those pipes so good and up against the house. And then again, I'll have to go get some grass seed and some hay and get this seeded out. So, all right, well, I'm just going to keep on working. Pick up with you in a minute. right, everybody, I'm getting everything cleaned up and put away. Got the stuff inside. It's supposed to rain. That's why I was trying to get as much of that done as I can. I'd keep going, except for we have a neighborhood thing today, a little neighborhood party or whatever for, so I'll have to stop, go inside and take a shower and stuff, but we made pretty good headway. I mean, we got a lot done. The pad got cut, the forms are pulled, cleaned the trench out. We gotta go down and clean it out just a little bit better than this, but it actually came out really nice. So that's ready to go. And then I just need to get my drain grates cut, which I'll work on here maybe tomorrow or something. I don't know, depends on what the weather does, but I got the gravel out of here, started putting dirt in. I'll have a lot of dirt in there. It's gonna take a lot more than what's here, but you know, that's slow going. But I got it all across the front here. I need to clean this porch off is what I need to do, but got it all across the front here, all the way around. Kind of sculpted this out. We got our drains in and cut and out, so, and of course we put dirt up against the building a little more. So I need to go get grass seeds and some hay tomorrow and get that down. I don't know, we'll see what everything does, see what the weather does. Wish I could keep going, but you know, got other things we got to do. So and that'll be it for today, I think. So it's really good to have this concrete down now, and of course it's starting to dry, which will be good, and rain will come and wash all this away, which will even be better. And the gutter's pretty much clean, so I'll just need to come in and cut a bunch of grates and get those in. I'm probably going to end up welding every 2 pieces of grate together, just because they're not heavy enough. When you drive on them, it can kick them out. So I'm going to have to work on that a little bit, but other than that, it's looking good. I'm glad to get the dirt in, glad to get my gutter drains in. I just need to get those, figure out what I'm going to do with my posts, at least get those back 2 done, and I can call the gutter guy and get the gutters on. And doors, man, I need doors. Come on, doors. All right, that's it. Go and take a shower. See you guys later.